Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 2024 replay on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can get the TikTok 2024 replay. To get that 2024 replay, we need to go to our inbox on TikTok. Open up your inbox on TikTok and you'll get your 2024 replay right here. As you can see guys, that this is my replay and I'm going to open it. Okay, this is how my 2024 replay looks like. And then we'll be able to post this 2024 replay to our TikTok as the TikTok post, or we'll be able to post it on our story. If you want to immediately post the 2024 replay, you just need to click on this icon. And if you want to immediately post it to your story, you just need to click on your story and you will be able to edit the replay before you post it. Just click on the edit menu if you want to edit the replay. Okay, and here you can go to the TikTok editing to edit your 2024 replay. Okay, here you can add effect, sticker, or folders. It's up to you guys. And this is the original replay. You'll be able to change the music if you want. Just go to the sound and then you can click on replay sound if you want to change the music. And for instance, I'm going to select this music. Okay. Okay, and now the music has been replaced with the song, and I'm going to automatically sing the transition with the music. Okay, now it's done, and you can edit the replay according to your needs. And once you're ready to post it, you just need to click on next. Okay, then you can add caption. Add description for your replay. I'm going to add my 2024. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to post it to my TikTok. Okay. Oops. Now the video is being uploaded, guys. Okay, now it's done. And now my replay has been posted to my TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get TikTok 2024 replay. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.